In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a constrained group of spotlights to follow and focus on where we want them to focus on. We'll create an empty object, and use it to freely control a group of spotlights. Let's begin by creating a mesh circle. If you don't see the circle in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need 16 vertices. Let's create a spotlight and an empty object. Let's move the spotlight up a bit, and add a track to constraint to the empty object. If we move the empty object, we can rotate and angle the spotlight freely. Select the spotlight, and Shift-select the circle. Ctrl-P to set parent to. Let's go to the instancing and vertices. Now we have 16 spotlights focusing at one empty object. If we move the empty object, the spotlights will follow. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.